So the thing is, a lot of people tell me they want to create their game and they realize something, they just don't know how. What if I told you there was a program designed to teach you how to create a game from scratch and show you all the steps until you publish it to Steam? Welcome to the UNF Game Development Program, where you learn how to create a high-quality game in months and not years. A program designed to teach you the best practices for creating a game and guide you through the development cycle step by step until you create a game you want. The market is shifting. AAA companies no longer have the trust they used to have, and more solo and indie game developers are emerging, showing they can also create great games without spending millions of dollars or having a huge team behind them. This is a historical moment in the gaming industry, where technology is available for anyone, with free tools and ways to make your games faster and with higher quality. If you wanted to create a game by yourself, there hasn't been a better time. And this is why we took years to develop this program, to share with you all our knowledge from working on AAA and indie games, taking all the good, removing all the stuff that you don't need, and apply it into a real project that you can actually finish. In this program, every lesson takes you one step closer to publishing your game. You will learn how to program, how to create beautiful levels, understand the whole game creation pipeline, and the best practices to create any type of game you want. With over 496 videos, 50 hours of content, subtitles translated into 9 different languages, and a private group to receive guidance, you have all the tools that you need to create and publish your game to Steam now. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and start today the project of your dreams. Get full access for free for the first 25 days and enjoy the most complete game development program on the internet.